Students of class 3rd, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. Today we are going to learn chapter 7 in computer, that is learn about internet. This is part 1. Let's start. So chapter 7, learn about internet. In this chapter we will learn what is internet, uses of internet terms, opening a browser, opening a website, searching information in Google Chrome. But in this video, that is part 1, we will learn what is internet and uses of internet. Fine. So let's start. When two or more computers are connected together, it is called computer network. The computers can be connected through cables or telephone lines or through any wireless medium. See, two or more computers, we need to connect them. Why we need to connect them? So that they can share information. See, when two or more computers are connected, we can share information between them. So it will help a lot to do things. So this is the concept of internet. So we'll learn more about it. Let's go ahead. What is internet? When millions of computers are linked to share information, it is called internet. So this word is very important. Share information. Millions of computers are linked to share information. It is called internet. Internet means interconnected network. Internet is a huge network of computers connected all over the world. It provides connectivity to millions of computers, as you can see over here. So many devices, mobile, laptop, other devices, computer, they all server, they all are connected with each other with the help of internet. When you are connected with internet, you can send information or you can receive any data or information from other person. So this is the global network. All computers are connected with millions grid of network. This is called internet. Let's move ahead. Uses of internet. This is very important. We use internet, all of us, we use internet in our mobile or in our PC. So many things we can do with the help of internet. Internet has made our life easy, very easy. We can do many things by using internet. Let's see. First, we can play and download games. I know you all students like to play games, and some students play game on PC or computer. Some students like to play game on mobile. So before playing game, what you need to do, you need to download that game. So from internet you can download new games and you can play these game on the internet. Fine. What other things we can do on internet? We can download movies, songs, games, file, etc. See, apart from game, we can download any movie, any song, any file with the help of internet. Fine. Let's move ahead. We can book ticket of a movie, a train or a flight. See, with the help of internet we can do online booking of ticket. We no need to go reservation counter or any particular place to buy a ticket. We are sitting at our home. If we have computer, it has internet connection, we can book tickets of a flight, of a train, or even a movie ticket we can book by sitting at our home with the help of internet. Fine. What other thing we can do? We can send or receive messages anywhere across the world. Messages sent through computers are called email. See, two person are sitting there here. One is a student or one is a, suppose she is a teacher. So they are sending messages to each other. through email. Fine. Email. With the help of internet, they are exchanging their messages. Fine. This is called email. Let's move ahead. Next point is we get information on any topic anytime. See, this is a student and he wants to search information about his favorite player. So with the help of internet he can search information his favorite player. Fine. Suppose he wants to get information about Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli. Okay. Or suppose any person wants to search any information about any school or college. So with the help of internet you can search information about any person, any place. Or suppose you want to go some other place for vacation, so before going that place you can search information about that place, what are the visiting places over there, to see famous seasides over there which we can see. So we get information from internet. Before going that particular destination we can plan out things properly. Fine. Next point is we can get latest news about the world. See, where we get news of the world from newspaper. Every morning we get newspaper, we read newspaper, but when we are reading newspaper, this is the news of one day before. Fine. To see news, we sometimes watch news channel on TV. News channel usually provide live news most of the time, and if you are sitting on our PC and it has internet connection, we can get latest news of the world, all over the world, with the help of internet. Fine. We can get local news, we can get news of our state, our country, or even global news we can access with the help of internet. Let's move ahead. Now next point is we can chat with other using text or voice message. The best example of this point is WhatsApp. With the help of WhatsApp, it's a application software which we use on our mobile. With the help of WhatsApp we can send text messages. Fine. With the help of WhatsApp we can contact our friend or our family member through voice call. Even some person which is your neighbor or your friend which is not in your city, he is another city or even in another country, you can contact with him or her by voice call or video call. In video call you can see his face live. Fine. And you can do by video calling you can talk while seeing each other. Fine. So WhatsApp provide this facility that you can send text message, you can do voice call, you can do video call, or you can share information in like such that pictures, video you can share with a particular person or in a group. Fine. Our next point is we can purchase item from where across the world and pay bills from home. This is called online shopping. Nowadays we are all doing online shopping. You must have heard this website or e-commerce websites name, that are Flipkart, Amazon, or other websites are there, Myntra, Snapdeal. These all are online shopping websites through which you can buy products such as mobile phone, laptop, fridge, LEDs, even your new dresses, clothes you can purchase from these online shopping websites. What you need to do, you just see the product, get information, and you need to order your product, its quantity, and place order. And you need to give address of your home, that product will be delivered at your home. Fine. And you, in this system, you can do payment also. There are two system of payment: cash on delivery. When your product will be delivered, you need to pay cash at the time, or you can do online payment with the help of phone pay, google pay, paytm. These are the online application through which, with the help of upi, you can do online payment. Fine. So our life is very connected with internet. It is very easy, and we can do so many things with the help of internet. Fine. So these are the things which we can do with the help of internet. I hope you have understood this chapter. This is the part 1. Read this chapter at your home from book. See this video 2-3 times. Fine. We'll see more topics of this chapter in our next video, that is part 2. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you very much.